My biscuits are ready. On my channel is a video. Low sodium biscuit recipe. Show you how to make them. I got 13 biscuits, but I gotta tell you I ate 2 of them as they came out of the oven. They're 2.5 inches, good sized biscuits, less than 7 milligrams of sodium. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe. Well, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, and adding to it 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir it in there, and then we'll add the milk. I'm using steakums today. You can use lean ground beef as well, 4 ounces. Will make it perfect. Or you can hard boil a couple of eggs, chop them up, put them in the cream sauce without the meat, and they are good on the biscuits. Use 3 steakums for 60 milligrams of sodium, and then drain some of the grease off. 1 cup of milk, 105 milligrams of sodium, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream for 40 milligrams of sodium. Whoops. When we get this finished, I will measure it so we see how much we get. I'm just going to stir it until it starts to thicken a little bit. We want to put pepper in, and it's according to taste. I think probably 1/4 teaspoon, maybe 1/2 by the time I get finished. Okay. I'm going to put the steakums in. Ooh, that did not take long to thicken. Put the steakums in there. Biscuits are ready. If we use 1/3 in this on our biscuits, a little less than 70 milligrams of sodium, with 2 biscuits, makes it right at 85. We're just going to put some. I have 1/3 of a cup here. We're just going to see what we need. That would be enough for me, but I'm not doing it for me. So I'm going to add a little bit more to it. And this is going to go to my husband. It's right good. I believe he's going to enjoy his breakfast.